Hello mate, you okay? Yeah, I'm good, thank you. We're about 5-10 minutes away, so yeah, we'll literally be there in 5 minutes. Perfect, happy days, right? See you in a bit, mate. That was Zach, who's just come to the recent Property Circle programme. He's got a house that's literally like 5 minutes away that's under mid-renovation right now, so might as well go and have a look at that now.
Yes, guys!
Hello, hello, hello.
How's it going, mate? You alright?
Yes.
Oh, so yeah. Here's the house we've
This is cool, isn't it?
bought. Yeah.
Happy days. So how long you had it for?
A few weeks now. So yeah, only recently bought it. Been grafted on myself, help from the family.
So you're doing the renovation yourself then?
Yeah, majority of the
Nice.
work's doing myself, trying to cut the costs.
Getting your hands dirty?
Yeah, it's my
Happy
first
days.
one.
Is this not working then?
So I just broke that today. So just trying to open it to get rid of some of the stuff.
So you're using the cone
I
to
can
stand?
hold
Oh,
it
can you
up.
get it up? Happy days.
It will go up, but I've got to hold it. So yeah, you can see it's quite decent size.
That's massive actually, isn't it?
Goes up really high.
Yeah, we'll just leave you there then, Zach.
Yeah.
So if we go on inside the house, guys, this is brilliant, mate. Flipping heck. I mean, I'll let you carry on. So when did you start the refurb on this?
A couple of weeks ago.
A couple of weeks ago. So you
So
got
I've
the property a few weeks ago.
Yeah.
A couple of
Stripped
weeks
everything
later.
out, started channeling the walls because everything was in trunking.
Right, okay.
So, yeah.
So you want to have it all sort of
Channeled in.
seamless in
Yeah.
the walls. Nice, that would look really, really nice.
So getting that done. Just waiting on tradesmen because everyone's really busy at the moment.
COVID?
COVID, yeah.
No good.
So that would be one bedroom.
So this is one bedroom.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, because it's a bungalow, isn't it? Of course, there's no
Yeah.
second floor. Sound.
This is another bedroom.
So one,
So this
two.
had polystyrene all over the walls, which I've left some in the roof and on the ceiling in one of the other rooms so you can see what they look like.
Does anybody else like wallpaper on the ceiling?
It hasn't been modernised in
This is cool.
decades, more likely.
This is cool.
So there's an old lady who lived here and she used this to store coal and there's chains, so I don't know what they were for. So red room, chains.
Don't get any ideas. Zach,
Yeah.
what are you doing with this room, mate?
We'll have to wait and see. So this is the bathroom.
Flipping it. It's like a size. This is like bigger than the bedroom.
Decent. So I've got a 4-piece set I've already bought, ready to go in here.
So you're
I've got the
keeping this
renders.
size. You're not going to knock any walls down. or
Yeah,
anything?
keep this as it is. So a nice enclosed shower cubicle here.
Yep.
I'm going to put like a partition wall up here.
And then have a bathtub here. Yeah, nice.
Nice floating, large sink, toilet. And then I've got to try and use this space.
This is going to look really cool. This is going to look
Big-
really nice.
Big bathroom there.
Yeah. So you're going for a very modern look inside.
Yeah, all completely refreshed.
So you're going quite sort of all out then for the refurb, considering it's just
Yeah.
going to be tenanted out. You're going to make it still look.
Yeah, I want to get my money back out of it and put it into more properties.
That's
so
what we like to
I
hear.
wanna-
What would this room be for?
So this room is quite an awkward one because of the size of it. There's a fireplace, so I've taken that out. The kitchen's through here, so it would look nice, open up, but the kitchen's not too bad of a size.
Let's have a look. Yeah, that would look nice if it was all open plan,
Yeah.
wouldn't it? If it was like a big open plan kitchen diner.
But because of the chimney breast, it's quite a supporting wall for the upstairs,
Yeah.
which we'll have a look at soon.
So
But
you'd have to
that's
get an
what we'll
RS
look
chair
at.
going across. Is that sort of pushing outside your budget then? You wouldn't?
If I put that in, it's going to cost a few grand to get that done.
Yeah.
I don't think I'd see as much of the returns from that.
That makes sense then.
So I've got plans for a full kitchen piece done that. So I bought brand new kitchen and bathroom for just under 3 grand.
Wow, okay, brilliant, perfect.
Fitting
Yeah.
it myself to save the cost because it's my first project.
That's what we like to hear. That's good, that's good.
Yeah. And this room, I'm trying to decide what to do. I was thinking leaving it as it is for now.
Maybe
And
like
maybe a little coffee bar sort of.
Yeah, like a breakfast
L
table
shape,
sort
yeah,
of.
like breakfast
Yeah,
table sort of
that'd be
thing.
nice.
Yeah, just to
Trying to be-
utilise the space.
Yeah, trying to be creative with it really, isn't
Yeah,
it?
and you can see the polystyrene.
I was about to say, yeah,
Yeah.
so that was what it was all the way through.
Yeah,
Yeah, good job you took that out.
bit of a fire hazard.
Yeah, just a bit,
Yeah.
just a bit.
Living room, again,
Perfect.
not too bad of a size. I'm still trying to work out what I want to do, whether or not to close this back off.
Yeah.
Because there's a tiny little slope on the floor, which is a pain.
Oh, okay.
Because if I put carpet in here, it's going to have to slightly go down.
Yeah.
But you don't want carpet in a living room for a rental. Yeah, you can see all the trunking and bits and bobs I've channeled out just there for the time being.
How long are you estimating the now for, sorry?
It's probably gonna take longer than expected because I'm doing work myself and family friends. I've got quite a few connections, so a lot of the stuff I'm getting done quite a bit cheap, which we'll have a look in the garden soon. So that's where I'm saving quite a lot of money on this house.
Okay, yeah.
Do you want to have a look up upstairs?
Absolutely, yeah. Looks a bit creepy, to be fair.
I know, I'll turn the lights on. So you can see how big it is up here.
Yeah, I feel like I'm in a horror film.
Yeah.
Oh, wow, okay, this is big, isn't it?
Yeah. So it was measured, I think it was 11 metres, just over 11 metres by 6 metres. It's quite a big area up here.
What have you got planned for up here then? Because this is cool. This is like a proper man cave looking
loft, so the dormers are already in, but I'm going to get them modernised. We're going to change the supports on these coming down and straight across.
Nice.
So I can put a doorway here so you can have one massive double bedroom. So yeah, partition wall here, a nice big bedroom.
So this would be a big double bedroom then?
Yeah, a master bedroom. So
beautiful, yeah.
Hopefully turn it from a 2-bed bungalow into a 4-bed. And it's detached, decent sized garden, so it's quite a good return on it, hopefully.
Not bad at all.
Yeah.
Not bad at all.
And then again, same with this side. Fantastic. Another little bedroom up here.
This is cute, isn't it? I mean, this is big though. This is the box bedroom.
Yeah.
And this is still big.
Still decent size. It's not.
But
when I was living with my parents, this is bigger than what I lived in. So.
That's mental. So there you go. There you go. No, this is great.
So I've got.
So I'm very impressed, Zach. I wasn't actually expecting this.
No.
Wasn't expecting it at
Exciting.
all. And the plans seem good. Yeah. So definitely got to be back to see how it's getting along and what the end project is. Should we have a look at the garden?
Yeah, you can take a look outside.
Just watch your head everywhere.
Yeah, I know. As it just started raining. So we've got 3 quite decent sized trees.
Wow, okay, yeah, they're big.
Yeah.
So
I want to get them down as soon as I can.
So you're going to get rid of all them then? You're going to get a tree surgeon in?
And it's not going to cost me anything. So,
why?
Yeah,
please tell me.
So my girlfriend, her uncle's a tree surgeon. And
again, this guy knows everyone.
He doesn't like, he said he doesn't like charging family. He came down and had the look, and he was sort of like, I like cups of tea. So he was like, as long as I've got brews, I'll be fine.
So as long as he's got cups of tea going, you're going to get rid of 3, what would you say?
I think they're about 40 feet.
40-foot trees?
Yeah.
So there you go, guys. If you're sticking to a budget, cups of tea, PG tips.
PG tips.
That'll do.
Yorkshire tea, my partner prefers. So.
Yorkshire tea.
Yeah.
There you go. That is amazing.
And hidden away in there is sort of a garage sort of thing.
What?
So you can see, because the property has been left for quite a while, there's a lot of rubbish build up from locals.
Yeah.
So I'm trying to speak to the council and see if I can take this land, because my solicitor's already looked at the plans. He's contacted the council. And this is council owned.
So if you could acquire that as well.
So yeah.
Perfect.
So I've got a little bit, I say a little bit of experience. My parents, at their old property, they acquired their land for £1 because it was costing the council to upkeep it. So they said, we'll take over the management. And that's why I've left all the rubbish so the council can come and look around and be like, this is going to cost us money. Hopefully, if he takes ownership, we don't have to do anything then.
Very smart.
A bigger garden, not ideal for a rental, but it's just extra space. Which
definitely. Long term, you never know if you wanted to do any development here.
Yeah.
Yeah, where is that hiding?
I know.
So what's the plan with that?
Either keep a garage or a nice little outhouse shed thing.
This is cool. It's just never ending.
I know.
And it's only a bungalow. It's a two-bed.
You look at it outside and it just opens up.
Just one thing after the next. This is cool. Yeah. This is very cool. I mean, well, we might as well go into the numbers then.
So I'm looking 85 paid for it, 15 to 20 and then a return of 140 to 150.
Wow. So I mean, including like your fees, like solicitors' fees, so legal fees, etc., you're probably looking about 110, 15 to 110, all in.
So yeah, they said a conservative price would be 150. So I'm basing on 140 because anything more than that is just.
So better. Conservative is 150, but you're saying even more conservative.
Yeah,
go for 140.
I'm playing it a lot, so you just never know what the market's going to like at the moment.
That is mental. So with your conservative, you're looking about 30 grand profit.
Yeah, but they're conservative.
Realistically, we're looking about 40, maybe even at a push with the market the way it is now. 40, 50 grand profit. Yeah. Wow, that is good. If you enjoyed the video then, guys, make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video. How do I come out of the van? Just quickly before we go in, I just wanted to quickly show you our new Airbnb. Do you see it there with the number GB? So that's our new Airbnb here in Australia. So, guys, wish me luck. I'm going to go and exterminate a bloody snake. All right, catch you in a bit shortly.